Try Genspark now!
Have you ever dreamed in the age of the AI that we don't need to actually work? If your job involved with slides, sheets, documents, or if you want to develop an app by yourself, or if you want to become a designer, make an image, video, music all by yourself, or ask AI to make notes for your meetings, this platform can easily help you. It is your best AI colleague ever. Meet Genspark. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in a sensational AI work platform called Genspark. So if you want to use this platform, remember the domain genspark.ai, and here is the landing screen, pretty minimalist. And you can easily sign in by Google account or Apple account. And after login, this is where the magic happens. As a work AI platform, you can send AI directly your documents by click here, browse your local files. And when we click this button, this setting buttons, there's a choose for your Gmail, for your calendar, for your Notion, for your Microsoft, and you can link it to your Outlook email. So when we're landing AI slides, we have some nice templates beneath, and you can directly use them, or you can make it all by yourself. It's already empowered by Nano Banana, which is great, right? So imagine you are an entrepreneur who is running your new business. You need to promote it to your investors. So I'm asking AI to make a presentation for my new AI platform called Next Study. So I'm writing, it's just an online AI platform that people can get the certifications and learning new AIs. And we have two buttons, professional and creative. So if you choose creative, your presentations will have the very cozy vibe. I think this really depends on who your audience is. If this is for your students, or if this is you want to make a cozy vibe, you can use the creative. If this is for business purpose, you need to choose a professional one. And you can also upload any documentations that you have for your projects. But right now I don't have anything. I only have an idea. And this is really something different because I already tried many AI slides, but they cannot change the aspect ratio. But this one, this Genspark can change the aspect ratio of your slides. I think right now we're using this one, 21:9. So imagine if you are a CEO of your big company and you want to introducing your new products, just like what Steve Jobs did, you can use this aspect ratio. But right now, let's start with a small one. So AI is helping us to generate it. You can see from here. And also we have a team chat. So you can invite your friends or the people from your company. You can join together and working together with the AI. This is a very convenient. Let's go back to the AI slides. I think the images will be generated by Nano Banana here, which is very high quality. Okay, AI is very busy working on our projects. I'm very satisfied with it. Oh, what we have here? Oh man, this is our cover, I guess. Okay, now we already generated our slides. Let's just give a quick look. So this is our cover, and we can even use this functionality to modify it. This is called AI Edit. And also we have this fact check content and advanced edit. So let's try this first. So in AI edit, we can change the layout, we can polish the content or mark and edit. Let's click the first. And we have two different ways to fix it. One is auto, another is custom. Let's try this one. I just need some images. So let's click here. See, all the images are AI help us to generate it. And AI just pick up one for us and change the layout. I think this looks really nice now. And this is a second page of our slides, the problem, a critical skills gap. And we can use the fact check contents tool to check the data. And let's click this button. Okay, now we did the fact check, and I think the contents are good to go. But can we change the color a little bit? Let's use this advanced edit tool. Okay, if we click here, advanced edit, guess what's gonna happen? Let's click here. After we click advanced edit, we're into this page, and in here we can easily change the fonts and all the colors. See, now the change is already applied. And the subpage about the market opportunity, and then we have our solution. I think everything looks good. And can we export it? Let's click here. First, we can save it as a template. And we can use this tool to preview the slides. You don't need to install PowerPoint anymore. We just generated it in minutes. Can you believe that? And what's even good is you can click here, exports. You can choose different versions from PDF to PPTX or Google Slides. For example, PPTX. And let's click the export. Hey, imagine if you're close to your deadline and you only have like several minutes, and this tool can totally help you to generate slides, very detailed, and you can use the fact check. Perfect. Now I even got a local copy that I can work on. I can pass to my colleague. Oh my God, this is so good. So this is a Genspark AI slides, and let's go back to our homepage. Can we generate an image in here? Genspark are using Nano Banana Pro, which is the best AI image generation model on market. But when you're hovering it, you can also change the model to something different. For example, like Nano Banana, Seedream, Flux, the image turbo. Let's use Nano Banana first. And we have a setting. So in settings, we can change the quality of the image. You can generate up to 4K image. And for aspect ratio, you can play around with all kinds of the aspect ratios, for example, like this one. And we even have a style. So in style, you can generate image in particularly styles and also camera. You even have this simulator. Oh my God. Imagine you are shooting your movie or shooting your photo professionally. What kind of the gears are you going to have? For example, like the IMAX with some lens, with some nice lens. That's so dope. And we can type our prompt here. You can upload the attachment as well. For instance, your portrait. Let's just generate something like this. Let's click the generate button. Now we are generating our image. All right, isn't that fabulous? And what is the best? You can even mark the area, for example, like this, and you can make your change request. And let's click here. We already successfully removed the purple screen. So now you can control the image more accurate, right? And you can also use those tools. This is very powerful. You can use the draw to edit or remove the background and also erase it, expand it, image on blur, even image to video. This is so powerful. I don't need anything else. All I need is Genspark now. And also you can click here, share, and also you can download this image by click this button. It's quite easy to use, I guess. All right, let's go back. You may notice that in the Genspark AI image, you not only have this chat box, but beneath here we have quick apps, which includes the background remover, magic eraser. You can erase your ex-boyfriend photo. Or you can use a magic redraw. You can redraw anything in your photo. And beneath are the images that are generated by the communities. And when you click each image, oh, this is a really nice one. You can find the prompt the author using and also the AI models they are using, the quality, the size. And you can even recreate with this image if you find this really attractive. You can even make a video based on your image. All right, let's click the image to video. This is something really new to me even. It is called Genspark AI Video. And we are able to use Gemini View 3.1 and also 3.1 reference and the Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro. We even have Clean V3. Let's use the View 3.1 first. And let's type our prompt. And also we have some settings. For example, like our size, we can even have up to 4K. Because of the View 3.1, we can follow what our image has. And here is the duration of the video. And you can also use video to generate video. You can click here, assets, and upload your video here. But right now we don't have any. Let's close off and just click this button. All right, our video is generated. Let's preview this video.
Try Genspark now. Ooh.
You can click here, remove it, or you can export to AI Drive. And you don't even need the reference image. You can directly describe the story or scene for your video. And just click here to generate a video based on your story. And there's even more tools for you. For example, like the AI sheets. Excel is very complicated. You know that, I know that, right? But with this tool, you can easily manage it. For example, let me just type my prompt. Because I don't have any specific data, let's just list it all the greatest NBA players and their scores. Just click here. And you can check here, this is our agent, is working. Hey, now what we got here, we even have LeBron James, Michael Jordan. This is very unexpected. This is terrific. And you can export it as a XLSX format, which is the format for your Excel. And imagine this AI is working on your Excel. It will be super easy for you to do your job nowadays with AI. For general purpose, you can just type your prompt here. For specific needs, you can just use the entry point beneath. And also we have this Speakly. So Speakly is developed by Genspark. So in Speakly, you don't need to type anything anymore. You can just directly speak whatever you want instead of the typing. And how to use Speakly? Let me just demonstrate how. Just click here to customize your personal hotkey, for example. And when I click my keyboard, draw a cat for me in image format. See, very accurate. And we can click here as Genspark. And next thing you know, we already generated a cute card by Genspark by using Speakly. That's so convenient, right? And you even have more instructions. For example, like this. And we click here to enable it. So now when I just type the key 41, which is command plus comma, 画一只小狗. See? Even though I speak Chinese, the result is still English. So you don't need to learn English. All you need to have is Speakly and speak instead of type. That's so dope, right? Genspark is offering unlimited usage of the AI chat and AI image features for all of 2026, including Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image, Flux, Seedream, Gemini 3.1 Pro, GPT 5.2, Claude Opus 4.6, and more app models inside those two features are available. With unlimited access, Genspark, an all-in-one AI workplace, achieved an annual run rate of $155 million within just 10 months. Wow, this is incredible. Okay, so much for today. Hope you like this Genspark tutorial. If you have any questions, don't forget to let me know. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.